If you're an e-commerce brand owner and want to convert more sales with your landing page or product page, in this video, I'm going to go over my completely free optimized e-commerce product landing page template. And this template has all of the elements that I've used in the past to increase the conversions on multiple of my clients' e-commerce stores. So if you want to do the same, stick around to the end of this video and check out the free template in the second link in the description. That's the second link. Optimizing your e-commerce landing page is one of the highest ROI tasks you can do. If you're running ads to a website that isn't properly optimized, you're just burning money. Most e-com brands I work with only have a 1 to 2% conversion rate, but after changing a few things on their page, it goes up to 3, 4, 5% and more. So they're literally doubling their sales without spending any more money on ads. And I included all these things in the template I'm about to go over. So let's jump right into it so I can go over and show you exactly how you can use it to boost the conversions on your e-commerce store. All right, guys, so this is the optimized page. So starting at the very top, we got the announcement bar here. You always want to state your shipping or discount or unique benefit in the announcement bar here. Always, if you have a discount or seasonal promotion or free shipping, always put that in here. It really just gets people ready to go. It gets them excited right away that, hey, there's something in this for me. Let me stick around, see what else is on the page. Then next, we got the buy now button up here. There's plenty of people, especially on mobile, they're already primed to buy your product. So just have it at the very top so they're ready to go. Over here, you got the product image section. You want to have good images of the product, the packaging, people using your product, things like that. Just really make your product as clear as possible. This is where you're going to really sell your customer. Just make sure you get the highest quality photos possible. Then you're going to have the title, reviews up here, review count, get 3 or so benefits here, just stating some benefits. Then you want to really increase your AOV, your average order values. You want to have your variants here. You want to have one-time purchase, subscribe. You can even add bundles as well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 packages. These are just sample variants here, but when you upload this to your store, the variants are going to reconfigure for your product. So we got one-time purchase, subscription here. You want to have these options because these all benefit and all help increase the average order value. Then we got the CTA button here as well. Safe, secure checkout, money back guarantee, free shipping again. You want to always have the free shipping under the CTA as well. We have also payment options as well. Here you want to show off product details, shipping, returns, any other details people need to know. And over here too, have some more reviews. Try to add something under here just to get people's attention. Show more reviews right away. People really care about reviews. So any place you can to maximize it, just get them in here. This is obviously placeholder text, but when you have real reviews, put them here. Next, this is something I personally like to use, is having a benefit focused ticker that's just animated and sliding. This is just stating benefits, quick going side to side. People can see here. Have here more product benefits. You want to really have the product focused. Here's a great place to just show the product itself. You can show the product, the unit, or even with the packaging. Put 4 or so benefits. Then we get some reviews. The more reviews, the better. Text reviews, video reviews, UGC, you name it. This button here will take you to another review section, which is going to be Luke's or Judged.me. I highly recommend using Luke's to get more reviews on your pages. How it works, if your product is a bit more technical or you need to show the steps, I put this in there for you, just showing step 1, 2, 3, how to use the product. If your product is very technical, people need to see how to use it. Just have easy steps 1, 2, 3, just show people how to use it. I put this already in there for you just to save you time. Next, this is a section I really love. This is a comparison section. This is a fantastic thing to have on your product pages, just comparing us versus them. This is a fantastic way to state and really show why your product is better than your competitors. Really, everybody have this section in there. I did this for you. If you can, get another image as well. CTA repeating again. And remember, we got the CTA buy now button sticky up here. So wherever you are on the page, or whenever people want to buy, if they're down here, up here, there's no CTA. They can just go click it, buy right away. Next, we got the ingredients. Especially if your product is a food product, you want to really show the ingredients, show off all the health benefits, the good ingredients that are in there for people. Make sure, there's nothing that can cause any people allergies or whatnot, or if there is, state, who it's going to affect. So really nice to have ingredients in your pages. Next, we got another benefit section. This is another way of stating why people are choosing your product versus others. You can swap this section in for the one at the top, or you can have both with some images as well. Then you get some UGC reviews. The UGC content you can put higher in the page, but I'm just having it here just to show we got everything. We got text reviews, video reviews. Remember, if you can get access to video reviews and UGC content, show that off on your pages. That's going to really, really help you. Next, we got the FAQ. Frequently asked questions is a super crucial section to have. This is where you're going to qualify your customers and really reduce the amount of returns and chargebacks you're going to get. Answer any people's potential objections here. Just answer their questions. Do that as much as possible. Try to keep it to no more than 8 questions, I would say. 5 is a good sweet spot to go for. 6 is okay too. Buy now again with safe and secure checkout, money back guarantee. Have also, you may also like section showing other bestsellers or recommended product sections for this user, for this customer. There's apps that are using AI as well to offer these personal recommendations. sales. And there you have it. That is the optimized page. Use this page, steal this template. This is free, and this will greatly help your store sales. So guys, that's it for the ecom template. If you want the exact template I went over in this video, I'm giving it away for completely free in the second link in the description. All you have to do is click the link and it will automatically open in your Replo account. Now remember, Replo is a Shopify app that connects to your Shopify store. Then use the information I gave you in this video to customize it for your brand. But if you're an ecom brand owner and want to build Shopify pages that are guaranteed to convert more traffic, I help ecom brands build tailor-made and optimized Shopify pages so they can convert the maximum amount of traffic into paying customers. I just recently helped an ecom brand double their conversion rate in just 7 days from a custom landing page I built them. So if you'd like me to do the same for you, book a free consultation call in the first link in the description. If you want to see exactly how I helped that ecom brand double their sales in 7 days, check out this video here. If you found this video valuable, a like and a sub would be appreciated. Thank you for watching.